Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at my Kurma spice mix recipe. Now a Kurma spice mix is a blend of warm aromatic spices that are key to creating the rich and flavorful base of a traditional Kurma dish. While the exact compositions can vary, this is how I make it at home, so I'm sharing the recipe with you. Start off by adding 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds to a small bowl, followed by 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Don't find the need to measure all those spices in grams. Using a regular tablespoon or teaspoon is fine. Next, we're going to add 2 whole spices of star anise, like this, as well as half a tablespoon of cinnamon sticks that I just broke into small pieces, 1 teaspoon of green cardamom pods, a quarter teaspoon only of cloves, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 3 bay leaves, half a teaspoon of raw uncooked rice. You can use short grain or long grain rice. Now we're going to add all these spices into a dry pan and toast them on a medium flame for 2 minutes, stirring continuously. As soon as the spices begin to become fragrant and are popping a little, you want to remove them from the pan. Now it's important to remove the spices from the pan before they turn dark to prevent the risk of your spice mix becoming bitter. So we've added all of that, and we also need 2 teaspoons of white poppy seeds. This is an essential spice for a good kurma mix. Now I actually had my poppy seeds ground together with my coriander seeds, and that's what I'm using here. But you can just add the poppy seeds separately and 5 tablespoons of coriander powder. So we're just going to add the ground spice directly into the spice grinder, along with 3/4 of a tablespoon of white pepper powder, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and I do recommend adding half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt crystals or other salt crystals. It tends to enhance the flavor of any spice mix as well as reduces any bitterness. So we're just going to grind that to a fine powder, and once it's cooled down completely, you can store this in airtight jars, and that's your homemade kurma spice mix to use in your next delicious kurma dish. Kurma spice mixes are a versatile ingredient that can be used to flavor a variety of dishes, including curries, stews, and marinades. They're a great way to add depth of flavor to your cooking without having to measure out individual spices each time.